What's up mga kanay? Sa video ito ay pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano na nga ba mag-transfer from GCash to ShopeePay. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito and you're into tutorial and informational videos, please like, share, and subscribe lang kanays. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yung pag-subscribe ninyo sa ating channel and makakasigurado ka na marami pa tayong upcoming videos na gaya nito na aking i-upload this coming days. Going back sa ating topic for this video, as you can see, my current balance in ShopeePay is only 18 pesos and 3 cents. So, punta tayo sa GCash to do the transfer. Once na na-access na ninyo ang GCash ninyo, i-tap nyo lang yung transfer. Then, tap on local. Scroll down tapos tap on view all. Next, scroll down nyo lang and tap on ShopeePay. You can also use the search button on top to search if kung saan man kayo magka-transfer ng funds. After that, type in the amount. Then, the account name. Tapos, yung inyong Shopee account number. My email address linked to my GCash is also automatically populated on the email field for the receipt, though ito ay optional lamang din naman. Then, there's a note here that there's a 15 pesos fee that will be charged per transaction. Tapos, tap nyo na yung send money. The next page will let us review first the details prior to the transfer. Make sure to double check lang all the info, especially the account number. Tapos, may note din here na confirmed transactions will not be refunded. Please make sure that the account details and amount are correct. Then, itap nyo lang yung checkbox to confirm the details are correct. Next ay itap ang pay button. Tapos, you just need to enter the authentication code that will be sent via text. Finally, tap on submit. You will be prompted that the bank transfer is being processed. Usually, real-time naman siya, especially kung wala namang problem with any information in the transaction. Though, as indicated here, you can monitor their notification within 1 hour. Then also, according here, successful transaction will be instantly credited. If the text states pending bank validation, your bank may take 3 to 5 business days to process. You also see here the information for the transaction you made, which includes your InstaPay invoice number and reference number. You can screenshot or download this since this serves as your proof of transaction. You'll notice na lumiit na yung GCash balance ko, which indicates na successful yung pag-money transfer sa end ni GCash. So now, i-check natin with ShopeePay. We'll also observe here na nadagdagan yung balance ko on ShopeePay, which is the indicator na successfully na-receive na yung funds na pinadala natin from GCash. So that's it mga kanays. We're done with the latest procedures on how to transfer from GCash to ShopeePay. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe. See you in our next video.